A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, no need of textbook. You need unruled page, paper without lines. That's the thing. Unruled page, you need scale, you need pencil, you need pen, this much things, writing materials in the coming classes. Unruled paper, pencil, scale, pen. Before entering into the topic, let me tell you, other than the classes you see some other places, here we are going to spend hours, more than hours, on writing skill. Writing skill. Last year, I began for you in class 10, and little bit picture I had given 6 years ago. Do you remember? 5 or 6 years ago. Do you remember in class 7? We had some pictures. Now here we are going to, because all the additions and subtraction is done here. What is addition? Somehow joined here after that 6 years. After year 7, some new students joined here. After 10th, some have gone. Instead, some have come. That is what is called subtractions and additions. Now, anyway, up to +2, even now today, I welcome Mehak. Mehak is here.
Yes,
So
sir.
she is with us. Okay. So, in the coming hours from 2021 to 2022, 1 year, we are going to see writing skills. For every exam, we will see 1 or 2 skills. By the end of the year, you will be thorough with. So I may be spending more time on each writing skill because it has its own importance. In your question paper, present year, you have 16 marks out of 80. This year's question paper pattern, it is better to understand. I'm talking about a +2 question paper. $80 marks, 44 1 mark. Michael, 44 1 mark MCQs. Lucky draw, isn't it? Lucky draw MCQs. The rest, how much? 36. 36. Out of 36, 10 mark grammar, 26 other questions. Clear now? Here in this 26, 16 mark writing skill. Out of 80, 35 marks from one textbook, main textbook. 9 marks, no detail. You see, weightage, main textbook, 35 out of 44. So this is the structure. So here, this 16 mark writing skills has greater importance. Fixed questions are there. This is the way we are going to score the mark. Out of 80, I am making sure 16 mark, because these are permanent questions. Out of this, formal letter is very important. Clear? Formal letter. Formal letter comes in two ways. One is official formal letter. Another is formal letter with biodata. This is a permanent question. So today we are going to see how to write a formal letter. Then we will see how to write a formal letter with biodata. Sometimes you may be thinking now, we have already studied from class 5 onwards, letter to the principal, we have studied. Let it be there. We are going to learn for your lifetime. This letter has greater importance. One is for exam. Second is for your professional job. When you go for a job, there you have to give a letter, application. So it is very important. So we are entering in. We see here now. Write the heading, formal letter. Formal letter. When we say formal letter, it is distinguished or understood as a letter to the principal, letter to the editor, letter to the chief editor, letter to the commissioner, letter to the inspector of police, letter to the inspector of health, in various ways. This is what is known as formal letter. Now we are going to see how to write, what is the format of formal letter. I draw here your page. We will take it with a board exam paper. You will be given board exam paper. This is your board exam paper, horizontally rectangle. You have written class 10. It has a margin here. It has a top line here. This is your paper. First, you are going to draw a box. You see, from the margin right side with the scale, you are drawing a margin or line. On the top, you are drawing On right side, you are drawing another line. So you are drawing a box in three sides. Three sides. Clear now? Now attend very carefully. The formal letter. Michael, have a cup of black tea? Do you want? Okay, okay, okay. So tell Mama to bring 1 cup of black tea for me, not for you. So when I drink, you will become energetic. Okay. So here we will begin with the from address. From address is written on the top left side here. Now I write here X, X, X. In letter writing, in English grammar and composition, triple X symbolizes the name of the person. Name. Triple X symbolizes name. Triple Y symbolizes your address, house name. Triple Z symbolizes place. These three things you have to remember. Wherever name is not given, there you will write triple X. Wherever address is not given, your house name or house number is not given, triple Y will be written. Wherever the place is not given, there you will write triple X. This is the official format of an address. Whether it is from address or it is to address, this is the format of address. You cannot add it as 4x. No, this is wrong. You cannot write this Y. This is wrong. So, this format. Now attend. In question paper, usually a name and address will be given to you. The first sentence starts there. You are Sangeet / Sangeeta, comma, 200A NH Road, Kottayam. So, name is given, Sangeet or Sangeeta. 200 NH Road, address is given. Kottayam, place is given. So, in the question paper, this will be given to you. Then there is no need of writing this one. Clear now? Since you are given the name, address and place in the question paper, you have to write here the same. So you will write here the name and address. For example, we are writing Sangeeta. Sangeet. 200 A NH Road, Kanpur. You see, triple X, triple Y, triple Z. See, in the letter writing, there shall be no red ink. No teacher should correct your letter. If as many corrections are there, so many deductions of mark will be there. So here it is over. From address is over now. You see here, everything is on the left alignment. Same line. This is to be. Some are writing like this, Sangeet 200A Kanpur. This is wrong. Some are writing Sangeet 200A NH Road Kanpur. This is wrong. Address should be written properly. After this, Kanpur. After this, you have to leave a line. Leave a line. In the next, you will write date. Today it is January 12, 2021. 2021. You see, there are a number of formats to write the date. Attend very carefully. 12 bar 1 bar 21. Jan 21, 2021. Sorry, Jan 12. 12 dash 1 dash 2021. 12 January Jan 2021. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. All these format is correct. But hereafter, in our examination, plus one, we will write January full 12, 2021. In this format only, you will write. Clear now? There is no question why. It is like that. No need of question of why. I told you, this is right. This is right. This is right. This is right. The reason I will tell you next year. Now you are asked to write this only. January 12, 2021. Date is over. After that, again, you will leave one line. So, upper and down, January will have one line gap. Then you will write to address. Again, to address. Address is triple X, triple Y, triple Z. In the question paper, there will be the address, because it is written, you are writing a letter to, it will be given to you, to the editor, editor of Malayala Manorama, editor of the Hindu, editor of Deccan Chronicle, editor of Times of India, many things. So you are writing to the editor, so name is given. Editor of Malayala Manorama, Y is given. In the from address, you know, Kanpur, so place is there. 3 are there. So here also, you need not write triple X, triple Y, triple Z. This I told you for your information. In our question paper, letters will have the address. So you have to write the address. Suppose here I gave you the question to write a letter to the editor. Our question is this. For example, it is a time of COVID. So it is mandatory. It is by law. It is by rule that everybody should use mask. And you have seen in your colony that many are not using face mask in public places. Inside the room, we do not want, because that is why we are not using now. I am inside a room alone, you are inside your room. When we are in public place, we must use a mask. But you see, many are not using mask. Many are not using mask. So you are writing a letter to the editor of Malayala Manorama to publish an article. Publish an article. So, to whom you are writing? To the editor. So, in the question paper, it will be editor. Attend very carefully. These are the mistakes where you make. But when you write the to address, after leaving one line, you have to write editor. You see, don't write now. Editor. If you write in question paper, it is editor. If you write only editor, there will be red ink. Whenever you write the to address, whenever you write an official designation, what is official designation? Editor, chief editor, inspector, principal, commissioner, all these are designations, posts. So to that designation, you have to write a definite article, the. Now it is correct. You have to write the editor. You have to write the chief editor. You have to write the commissioner of police. You have to write the collector, district collector, the district collector. You have to write the principal. Definite article should be there. After this, you will write the address, Y, that is the Malayala Manorama. The Malayala Manorama. The Malayala Manorama daily. When we write the word daily, it means daily newspaper. Only the word is needed. The Malayala Manorama daily means the Malayala Manorama newspaper. In this case, there are certain mistakes that students commit. One is, in the question paper, it might be written like this. Attend. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily. National daily. You see? What does it mean? Some students write the editor national daily, because Joshi sir has told daily means newspaper. So they write national daily. There is no newspaper like that. What does it mean? This says you can select the name of any newspaper. So you have to give a name to the newspaper. National Daily, a newspaper which is distributed all over India. Such a newspaper you have to write here. So the editor don't write National Daily. Instead, you write the name of A newspaper, the Malayalam Manorama, the Madhubhumi, the Deepika, the Times of India, the Deccan Chronicle, the Hindu, anyone name. So in such case, you have to write the name of the newspaper. Then place, here it is Kanpur, so you can write Kanpur here. Provided if the place is not given in the question paper. So from address, date to address. The first set is over. Very clearly you can note it. Make a box. And now here you see all these lines should be on the single row. This is what is called left alignment. Left alignment. Left alignment. It is a computerized work. Everything should be in the same line. Clear now? Just I rub it now. So, from address is over, date is over, to address is over. So, we have written the chief editor, Malayalam Manorama, that you have already written Kanpur. Here we stop. Again, leave a line. Leave a line. On the next line, you have to write, dear sir. Dear sir, comma. Attend. If you don't write the word dear, still it is okay. It is correct. Only sir you can write. But formally, we write dear to please the person. When the person reads the letter, and when we say, dear sir, so the person may feel this person is respecting me. So that is why we add the word dear sir. Clear now? Dear sir. Then, after the word dear, from here, after the word dear, below sir, you will write subject. Then colon. Subject and colon. This is what is called colon. Then you are writing the subject of the letter. Here the subject of the letter is about the COVID protocol. COVID protocol. Achyut, did you have your lunch?
No, sir.
No, why? What happened? I have given the lunch time free because you did not take the lunch. That is why our Michael is yawning 2-3 times. Michael's mummy is there. Tell mummy to have a cup of tea. Prepare. After the class you can drink. After my class you can drink. Okay. Have the lunch on time because for lunch I am making you free so that you can have. So here, subject. Here we are writing the letter about COVID protocol. So here you can write COVID protocol. This heading should be either 2 or 3 words. Don't write one large sentence. Don't write 2 lines. It should be maximum single line. 2-3 words. Subject, COVID protocol. Then on the next line, you begin your body of the letter.
Sir,
Now,
after like
no need of space.
the editor and all.
After the editor,
before
you
dear,
are
sir.
writing, leaving a line. Here you see. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This is you ask, isn't it? Achut?
Yes, sir.
Is it? That is why I put here reading.
Uh,
After to address, you are leaving one line. Then you are writing, dear sir. Then no leaving of line. You are putting a tab. Putting a tab. There you begin under sir subject. You wrote the subject. Again, you are not leaving line. Again a tab. From here, you begin the body. Second line will be from left side. Third line from left side. You draw like this. Next, again, on this line, you begin from here. No need of leaving the line. Technically, I will tell you. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here again. Third, again, on the same line here. 1, 2. Like this, you with the scale and pencil draw 5, 2, 3, 10 lines like this. Don't leave any single line in between. This is a tab, this is a tab, this is a tab. This is the body of the letter. Body. This I will explain tomorrow. Letter writing will take 2 days, 2 more days. Letter writing will be taken 2 more days. Letter writing plus respond to the letter biodata, it will take more than 2 periods. Now 1 period is over, again 2 periods. That is why I told you might not have attended letter writing 3 periods or 4 periods in higher classes. In class 4 and 5 it may be okay, but in class 12 or 11, we are taking 4 or 3 periods. So before the examination, I will be finishing only this one. Tomorrow we will see the rest. Okay. Now it is time I end the meeting.